So hello students, today I am going to discuss about solution. At first you have to know what is solution. The solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. What is homogeneous mixture? That is, if you take any part of the solution, then there will be the same proportion of solute and solvent in every portion of the solution. Solution is the mixture of solute and solvent. Basically, solute presents in solution in less amount and solvent presents in solution in large amount actually. Examples are there, very simple example: sugar water solution. Here sugar is solute and water is solvent. This key fact is there, that is, physical state of solvent and solution, these are same. There is an example, that is potassium nitrate and water solution. The state of solution is liquid and here water is also liquid. So here water is solvent. Okay, although water, the amount of water is less than potassium nitrate. Here potassium nitrate is 55 gram and water is 50 gram. Okay, so water is solvent here. Now I am going to discuss about, according to the phase of solvent, a binary solution is classified in different types. There is number one, gaseous solution, like mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. This is air actually. The ratio is 1:4. This is gaseous solution. Second one is liquid solution, like ethanol and water. Number two, glucose and water. And there are very many examples are there. Okay. Now solid solution, hydrogen and palladium. This is the case of adsorption. Basically, palladium absorbs hydrogen gas by its outer surface. Okay. Another one is sodium amalgam. This is sodium amalgam. Amalgam is due to mercury. Okay. And another one is stainless steel. This is very common example, and the compositions are iron, chromium and manganese. This is an alloy basically. Now I am going to discuss about true solution. The points are: diameter of solute particles should be 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter or less than 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. That means very tiny particle size. It is homogeneous mixture. Cannot see particle through ultra microscope. Second one is colloidal solution. Diameter of solute particle is 10 to the power minus 7 centimeter to 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter. It is not homogeneous. Can see particle through ultra microscope. It shows Tyndall effect. And what is Tyndall effect? I will discuss it later. And third one is suspension. It is not homogeneous. Particle size is much bigger than colloidal solution. It is greater than equals to 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. Can see particle through ordinary microscope or by naked eye. It shows Tyndall effect. Now what is Tyndall effect? The scattering of light as a light beam passes through a colloid or colloidal solution. Actually, when you pass light through the solution, colloidal or suspension, then we can see a beam of light inside the solution from the outside of the solution. Okay, this is Tyndall effect, and this is basically due to scattering of light in the solution. Okay, so students, that's all for today. And regarding this video, if you have some queries or doubts, then send your problem in comment box. I will solve it in next class. Okay, and in next class I will discuss some special topics on solution. So that's all for today.